Welcome back to Farming 4.0, your go-to channel for all things related to modern agriculture and aquaculture. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of tuna fishing and processing. Tuna fishing is a complex and thrilling endeavor that requires skill, precision, and sustainability practices to ensure the health of our oceans. From the open seas to your dinner table, we'll explore every step of this journey. You'll get an inside look at the techniques used by professional fishermen, the technology that makes it possible, and the meticulous process of preparing this incredible fish for market. We'll also highlight the importance of sustainable practices in tuna fishing to protect our marine ecosystems for future generations. If you enjoy our content, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to activate the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us bring you more quality content about the fascinating world of modern farming and aquaculture. Enjoy! Tuna processing is the complex and rigorous process that involves several stages to transform the caught fish into quality products, whether it's tuna fillets or it's canned tuna. It all starts with the reception and inspection of the tuna brought to the factory. As soon as the fish arrives, it is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the necessary quality and freshness standards. The fish is then immediately cooled to prevent spoilage and is cleaned and washed to remove impurities and any parasites. Next, the tuna is eviscerated, meaning the internal organs are removed. This step is essential to prevent contamination and maintain the quality of the meat. After evisceration, the fish is filleted, either manually or through automation. The fillets are separated from bones and skin, resulting in clean pieces of tuna meat. At this stage, the fillets are inspected again to ensure they do not contain bones or other impurities, and that they meet quality standards. Once the fillets are ready, they are appropriately packaged, either vacuum sealed or using other packaging types that ensure freshness and quality. After packaging, the fillets are stored in cold storage until shipment. The processing of tuna for canning follows a similar initial path, with the reception, cooling, and cleaning of the fish. After evisceration and filleting, the smaller pieces or leftover fillet portions are often used for canning. The tuna fillets are partially or fully cooked by steaming or boiling, a step that helps remove excess oil and preserve flavor. The cooked fish is then cut into pieces of suitable size for canning. This portioning step can be done manually or through automated processes. The tuna pieces are then placed in cans, and depending on the final product type, oil, water, or sauce is added. The cans are hermetically sealed to prevent contamination and ensure a long shelf life. After sealing, the cans undergo sterilization, an essential process involving heating the cans to high temperatures to eliminate bacteria and ensure food safety. After sterilization, the cans are quickly cooled to prevent overheating and maintain product quality, then labeled and packaged for distribution. It is important to note that throughout the entire process, both for tuna fillets and canned tuna, there is a strong emphasis on implementing sustainable practices. These include responsible fishing, according to international quotas and regulations, waste reduction, and efficient resource use. as well as ensuring traceability to guarantee that the tuna comes from sustainable sources. This way, the industry can provide high-quality tuna products while maintaining ecological balance. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.